So the next step is to take this beam and we're going to put it right up here. This will be fun. So I got one side of it done. The beam is up and I framed it in, tied it in with a couple screws here. It's bracketed, put some brackets through the center so it's not going to fall down, it's not going to sag. It's a faux beam, so it's not going to support anything, but once the tongue and groove and everything go up, it'll look pretty good. So I got one more side to do right there. I'll get that done, and then my fake beam will be complete. Okay, well, it is time to start putting up some insulation. So I've got this 1-inch foam board. It's the one with the pink panther on it, and I'm going to use this for the ceiling. And here's my faux beam. I've got it mounted up there and up there. And now what I'm going to do, because I saw so much information online, is I'm going to put a little bit of space in between basically the roof board and the tongue and groove that I'm going to put up here. So what I've done is I've got these little 1x1s right here, and I just mounted one here, got one there, and up there. That way it'll give a little gap in between to allow ventilation. Now, ventilation is very important. You don't want any mold, mildew to grow in between your ceiling and your roof. That would be very, very bad. So I'm going to leave, when I put the tongue and groove up, I'm going to leave a tiny spacing right here and then up above. And I also have these air vents that will be allowing airflow to go up there. So I've checked with others. They said, yeah, that should be good to go because it's a small space. As long as there's a little bit of airflow that gets up in there, I should be good. Anyway, that's where we are so far. I'm going to use these little plastic cap finishing nails. This is a 2-inch nail, the one that they had available. Alright, well, I got the ceiling insulation up. Now, it's time for the walls. Okay, well, insulation is up. Not too bad for a rookie. All right, so this is it for this episode. The next step in building this bar is putting the ceiling together. I'm gonna be using white tongue and groove on that, and I will need some help. That's not a one-person show. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give me a like, and we'll see you next time.